I'm going to perform the rowboat quickly so that we can follow from the last. So what I did was, from here, you prepare by sweeping the arms, bringing it back, hold onto the shoulder, wag your tail, sit down, support firmly on their sacrum, one arm, two arms, push them lightly forward, step up above the sacrum, ease in gently and open up the shoulder at the same time. And from here is the transition. You roll up very quickly, step into your warrior, and they are in the prayer pose. When they're in the prayer pose, you can start on the lower part of the sacrum, on the lower part of the body, and you do your palm hopping at the back. You start with your, this is called your diamond stance. From here, you rock up and using your body mass. Gradually palm hopping on the back.